Hi, how are you all? Diwali is over, so Christmas and everything, unending um, churning of events, and now we'll come to the innumerable events and award functions and etc. things that are happening. But I, sorry. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल धर्म पाजी भी घर पे आ गए एंड इट इज़ सच अ गुड न्यूज़ क्योंकि कल जब ऐसी अफवाहें फैली थी तो ऑब्वियसली वी नो पीपल हियर एंड देयर, तो हमने फ़ोन कॉल्स किए तो वी वर जस्ट रिलैक्स दैट। और ऐसे कहा भी जाता है कि जिसके बारे में ऐसी अफवाह फैलती है उसकी उम्र और लंबी हो जाती है। सो आई पर्सनली वॉन्ट टू सी हिम लाइक बिकम 100 years old, राइट? दो तब तक अगर मैं भी रहूं तो, क्योंकि ज़िंदगी का कोई भरोसा नहीं होता, बट ऑब्वियसली ऐसे स्टार्स ऐसे दीज आर लेजेंड्स, सो इट इज़ वेरी गुड जी। तो इट्स पहले तो मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी सबको, वाव को, आप लोगों को जो अपना वक्त निकाल के हमेशा हर इवेंट में सतर्क रहते हैं और आगे रहते हैं हम लोगों से बाइट्स लेने के लिए। बट अबाउट वाव आई वांट टू से दैट इट्स अ रियली गुड ऑनर, बिग ऑनर, इट्स really good event, and I'm really honored that I'm here. So thank you Wow for having me here. Thank you Picture and Craft for having me here, and thank you for all the love and honor and respect you're bestowing upon me. Hi there. That's it.
All right, one round of applause.
इस कैमरे में खुली के वहाँ तक जा सकते हैं।
Congratulations, Arush. Congratulations, and very well sung. I could hear the depth in your voice. So, all the best to you for the future and for your upcoming releases. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. एक बार जोर से तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए.
Thank you so much. It's a huge honor, it's a huge opportunity to be here at the WOW Pride of Excellence Awards. Shobha ji is actually someone who very dear to us as a family, and for her to bestow us with this honor is really something which will stay in my heart and in my mind for a long time. And I'm glad I could perform today. I'm singing 2 songs tonight, and it's really been a great time so far. So let's hope things continue going well.
And what are the future plans, Anush?
I have more songs in the pipeline. I probably will come out with like an EP soon. So that's exciting, and I really want to grow as an artist and contribute to the industry.
Thank you so much.
Thank Thank you.
Many congratulations to you. Priyanka is going places and so on. Today you're receiving Women Entrepreneur Award, which is makes all the women proud. What do you have to say?
I would like to especially express my gratitude to Shobha ji for her kindness and support. And as a woman, how she is recognizing and appreciating women from various industry. I am very grateful that she is awarding us Fragranta Perfumes for Entrepreneur of the Year. So thank you so much.
We've already experienced Ganga Jodi, Ranja. What is in the pipeline with Priyanka next?
We have something coming up in December, so we are working on it. So I think you have to wait and stay tuned for that.
Any message to all the wonderful women out there? What do you have to say, being an entrepreneur yourself and winning an award? What's your
I'm actually very grateful that Shobhaji is recognizing and doing such event for women so that women will pursue more empowerment. I want others to come and watch such events and grab more confidence so that they can also do something in their life.
Whenever you see her beautiful frames, they are stillness, but they move in their stillness. There is fire in her eyes. There is grace in her style. She is the epitome of Indian beauty. You know, it is not about a moving movement that touches you. Every frame of hers, I think when you see it, you understand that this is theatre at its best. This is art at its best. This is an actress who knows that existence flows from her and reaches out to kiss every heart around. Those whom she knows and she knows not. She has touched every heart in every Indian home and abroad. Pleasure having you.
So we did not say the magical word for her when she was getting the award, so I'd like to say that, and that is...
And a special good evening to Ganesh ji, who sang so beautifully the folk song. My respect to you. My respect to all the dancers out here, first of all. To Lata ji, she's been so close to me and she's been your epitome of inspiration to all of us. And Shobha ji, you've been very kind. For me, this award is just not taking a trophy home. But I feel, you know, one has to be loyal to the person. And I've been loyal to WOW, and I'm looking forward to having more people being loyal to this and supporting Shobha ji. Lovely good evening, and you know, my respect to Gurpreet ji for having said such lovely words about me. And I really loved one thing about her is, as much as she has seen my journey, I have seen her journey. So I feel, you know, when you talk about women supporting women, I think I correlate to her very strongly because I have seen both her kids grow in front of my eyes. So I think as an artist, we all, you know, we love supporting each other, we love elevating each other, and you know, Lata ji has done maximum, Shobha ji has pulled it off, you know, at this, you know, I wouldn't say this age, but at this stage of calling upon so many people and, you know, getting all of us together and giving this award. Thank you so much. I don't know much for our country, and you know, for me, every dancer has been very, very special. So if you ask me who's my favorite, I would say all of you, because I know what kind of input and what kind of hard work you'll have put in to get that piece of art out and to portray it to being a strong Indian woman. I really love all of you all.
Thank you. Can we say the magical word now? Wow! Okay, lovely. So beautiful. All the women on the stage right now looking gorgeous with all different colors. Somebody's in black, white, and that beautiful blue, or however the ladies would call it. I don't know that color exactly, but beautiful. Yeah, sure.
मैम थोड़ा यहाँ देखिए सब अभी यहाँ पर नीचे लाइट वाला कैमरा
जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है शोभा जी के साथ और लता जी ने मुझे इनवाइट किया है। मैं पहले भी आ चुकी हूँ इस अवार्ड के लिए। ये अवार्ड मेरे लिए बहुत करीब है क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एक जो आप देख रहे हो ये एक मतलब सिर्फ अवार्ड देने के लिए नहीं है, बल्कि एक कनेक्टिविटी कि आप अपने टैलेंट को और आगे बढ़ाइए, एक मोटिवेशन है, एक इंस्पिरेशन है आई थिंक। और हर कोई जो जुड़ता है शोभा जी के साथ इसी आस के साथ जुड़ता है कि हम लोग हर साल मिले, कुछ इवेंट करें और और लोगों को बढ़ावा दें इस आर्ट में, कल्चर में, स्पेशली डांसर्स जो हमारे इंडियन डांसर्स हैं, जो इतने सीनियर लोग हैं यहाँ पर। आज मैंने गणेश जी को गाते हुए सुना फोक सॉन्ग और इतना टैलेंट है। तो आई फील दिस इज़ नॉट स्मॉल, दिस इज़ जस्ट द बिगिनिंग। तो मेरे लिए ये एक पड़ाव जुड़ने के लिए है, ना कि एक अवार्ड ले जाने के लिए है। और इस पड़ाव के साथ मैं इतना ही कहूँगी कि मैं यहाँ से जब भी जाती हूँ तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ इंस्पिरेशन लेकर जाती हूँ। जैसे कि आज मैं गणेश जी को गाते हुए सुना, मैंने एक इंस्पिरेशन लिया कि विलेज को हम लोग जो हमारे गांव लोगों को, गांव के लोग जो बसते हैं, आप भी जानते हैं कि गांव में कितने सारे लोग क्या कमाल के गाते हैं, सूफ़ी रहो या पंजाब के कोने में जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे, उनकी आवाज़ जो आजकल हम लोग इंस्टाग्राम रील्स में देखते हैं। तो आई फील ये एक पड़ाव है एंड वाव, मेरे लिए वाव है क्योंकि इस पड़ाव को हम लोग बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं। बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत धन्यवाद।
It's always a proud moment. When you get an award and your mother is there to, as a chief guest, witnessing all that, and you were so humble and your speech was so lovely. What do you have to say today receiving this award at Wow Awards?
Well, it's a wow moment for me, first of all, being here. And I've heard about Shobhaji's work a lot. She's been doing it consistently for years, respecting every form of art, whether it be acting, dancing, music, anything. She's been there and she's appreciated the people who've created that. So that means a lot. That means she really, really, really dives deep into the dimension of, understanding the creative space of an artist. And I think personally that's very important. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे यहाँ पे आके. I'm grateful and I'm filled with gratitude in my head because Wow Awards is like a pride. So it's pride for my mom also. तो इसलिए मुझे लग रहा है कि मतलब I'm very overwhelmed right now. So thank you so much for having me. I'm honored. And my best wishes to Shobha ji and her team. I hope they keep doing it for years. और मैं भी अब loyal रहूँगा, मैं आते रहूँगा यहाँ पे because मैं अभी इतना established नहीं हूँ, but मैं भी इंडस्ट्री का दरवाज़ा खटखटा रहा हूँ. तो इसलिए it's a really surreal feeling for me. Thank you so much everyone for having me.
I'm also feeling very overwhelmed today because बहुत सारे अवार्ड फंक्शंस में हम जाते रहे हैं और वाव अवार्ड्स भी हमने बहुत सारे अटेंड किए हैं एंड शोभा जी के साथ एक दिल का रिश्ता रहा है, एक एसोसिएशन ऐसा रहा है कि हमें कुछ भी करके उन्होंने जब भी बुलाया हम ज़रूर पहुँचे हैं. सो आज स्पेशली जब उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि आई वांट टू फेलिसिटेट एंड गिव अवार्ड टू योर सन, तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा एंड आई फेल्ट दैट चलो कुछ नहीं, बच्चों का काम धीरे धीरे सब तक पहुंच रहा है, सबके सामने आ रहा है. सो आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू हर ऑल्सो एंड वेरी प्राउड ऑल्सो दैट गणन ने गॉट दिस अवार्ड वाव प्राइड ऑफ इंडिया. सो आई एम श्योर आने वाले टाइम में फ्यूचर में ही विल रियली रियली वर्क हार्ड टू मेक यू ऑल प्राउड.
It's mother and son both won an award today at the same platform. That's also a beautiful feeling for both of you. What do you have to say about that?
So it's a wonderful feeling, as he said, it's all surreal. So I'm very glad, very happy क्योंकि आज हम एक साथ अगर ये अवार्ड ले रहे हैं तो फ्यूचर में मैं समझती हूँ कि मैंने अवार्ड्स पे जाना छोड़ दिया था, फिल्म फेयर, आईफा वगैरह, बिकॉज मैं चाहती थी या तो मैं वहाँ पे अवार्ड देने जाऊँ या लेने जाऊँ. सो इसलिए काफ़ी सालों से मैं गई नहीं हूँ. तो अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि अब मैं तभी जाऊँ जब गणने को अवार्ड मिल रहा हो और कहीं ना कहीं पे मैं उसमें शामिल हूँ, चाहे देने के लिए चाहे लेने के लिए. सो लेट्स सी, होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Well, I would just want to say thank you to everyone, to the universe. Thank you, Shukrana to Guruji. and very beautifully, Gurpreet mentioned a lot of things about me. I just want to just say one thing about her for sure. I'll start. Well, I just want to say thanks to everybody, Shukrana to Guruji to start with, and I would just want to mention that peace is the new richness. So money follows peace and joy. So how about we start looking our journey within rather than just looking out for peace outside of us. And very beautifully, Gurpreet mentioned there that very beautiful words she mentioned about everyone. And I just want to tell her and to everyone who has got awards today that you don't attract what you feel, you attract what you are. So you can only appreciate beauty in others when you have it in yourself. So I feel wow awards, it's truly wow when you are in the moment with this peace within you. So yeah, thank you very much.
I'm so happy and I want to give my heartfelt gratitude to Shobha. I've seen her up and down and I've been associated with her for more than I think 7 to 8 years now. And big thanks to Shobha and for this wow award that she's felicitated me for. Thank you so much, Dilse. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Raghunath Manet. I'm born in Pondicherry, brought up in France. So I've been dancing all over the world, Bharatanatyam and playing Veena, a lot of French artists and world American artists, the jazzmen especially, like Archie Shepp, Didier Lecoud, Gilberto Gil, all very well known around the world. And I've been also doing a lot of research work, writing books, and acting in French movies. I've acted in many movies. And also, I just completed my first film, Back to Pondicherry. It's about two French women adopting Indian child. First time she's coming to India when she's 20 years old. Doesn't know anything about India. She's meeting on the street an artist like me going to talk about Shiva, Karma Dharma. But that girl doesn't believe on anything. Even though she's of Indian origin, doesn't know anything. The idea is we are all Indians, but I don't know how much I'm Indian, how much I'm French. Because we find Indians all over the world, in America, in Japan, in France, in Europe. So for me, it's how we can get together, talk about something, or sometimes we are very far, one-to-one. So kind of identity, search for identity, if art could help to find identity. So that was my film. I got many awards already. Yesterday I got an award in the Mumbai Film Festival. And tomorrow I'm going to Calcutta to get the award there. And my film is getting released all over the world. First is on 4th of December. And since I performed a lot, in early age I performed with Chandralekha, the dancer, the modern dancer. And I am the first Indian who performed in Opera at Paris. It's not easy to perform in Opera at Paris. So I've been performing almost all over the world. So thanks to Shobha to have invited me today, and as well as my friend Lata, who is a dancer choreographer like me. And thanks to everybody. I love India, I love Indian arts. That's why I came back all the way to India to get introduced myself. So thanks so much for this award. And I dedicate this award to Shiva because I'm Shiva Bhakta. Thank you.
मैं सीरियसली वाव अवार्ड्स को बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करती हूँ, स्पेशली शोभा आर्या जी को कि शी हैज़ ऑर्गेनाइज सच अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर रिकग्निशन. स्पेशली हम तो साल भर काम करते हैं, पर कोई अगर उसे एक रिवॉर्ड या रिकग्निशन देता है तो दैट ब्रिंग्स अ लॉट ऑफ appreciation for ourselves कि हम जो भी काम कर रहे हैं वो सही कर रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक अवार्ड फंक्शंस रियली गिव यू लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस ऑल्सो कि आपको और मेहनत करनी है वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए. So yeah, I really want to congratulate everyone who has won the award, who has been nominated. Just congratulations. जी अभी तो फिलहाल मैं एक सीरीज़ की मीटिंग करके आई हूँ, प्लस एक एल्बम सॉन्ग भी है, तो आप वेट कीजिए थोड़ा सा. मैं आज मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock तक शूट कर रही थी. आई वाज शूटिंग इन ठाकुर कॉलेज, तो इसलिए आप मेरा चेहरा डल देख सकते हैं, मैं नाइट शिफ्ट पे थी. बट या इट्स गोइंग ऑन एंड थिंग्स आर, आई एम फील लाइक आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि ऊपर वाला काम दे रहा है और हम ईमानदारी से मेहनत कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू.
For both mother and being there while they receive the award, and what a beautiful woman this is for them. What would you like to say?
Yeah, I'm grateful to Shobha Arya. You know, she's been a friend of mine for years now. And she's really wonderful because she's inspired us, so many of us, for years now. And to receive this award once again after so many years is an honor. Thank you.
One award for your poetry, for your art, and Arush is one for his flawless singing. And you know, you both are, it's the same extension of this field. What do you have to say? Is it your art which inspired Arush's singing?
No, Arush has always been a singer since I remember, since he was a child. Music's been a part of his life, so I think it's just a blessing of God. Yeah.
Really proud of her, of course. She worked hard and she takes her poetry very seriously. And she makes everyone at home read it. And if we have any critique, we let her know, but we barely ever have any critique because we really like what she writes. And yeah, it's a great day.
Did you get to hear the song which Arush is going to be singing and written by you anytime soon?
Well, he's actually writing his own songs nowadays, but maybe someday, who knows? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
गुरप्रीत जी यहाँ पे क्या हुआ एक वहाँ पे वो
Yes.
How did it all begin? How did it start?
Well, yes, when I see back at myself, I'm very proud of myself because I started this just thinking about women. Women who are not valued at home, who are not respected at home, and I thought that they need to be honored. So my first awards when I started was Wow Women's Awards only. And why I wanted the women to come forward and receive the appreciation is because I personally also know a lot of women who are excellent entrepreneurs, but they don't have the freedom of getting out of the house. They are not valued, they are not respected. So I said, why not create a platform for women? So that is how when my first Wow Award started. And as time passed, I received a lot of messages from men. Why are you doing only for women, it seems? Why don't we do it for men also? So I said, let's combine men and women together and have a combined award. And I don't always conduct awards with one fraternity, like maybe, doctors fraternity or fashion fraternity. I have all businesses, all industries under one roof. And earlier, I used to have a lot of authentication process before I awarded somebody. But during the course of time, because people know me, they've started passing referrals. And based on the referrals and recommendations and stuff like that, so that is how my journey started. And today I'm really proud of myself to where I am. I'm a one-woman army and I have supporters, lot of supporters and well-wishers like Parul Chawla, like Gurpreet Kaur Chadda, like Dr. Lata Surender ji and many others who have always stood by me and they are always with me as a family. So I really appreciate everyone's support towards me, the love towards me, and I really want to continue doing this, inviting new talent, giving them a platform and doing whatever best in my capacity to do for them. Thank you so much, Parul. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to express my special gratitude to Shobha ji for her kindness and support. And as a woman, she is recognizing and appreciating women all over the industry and world. And I'm really thankful to Shobha ji for awarding me an Entrepreneur of the Year. So I'll keep coming. This is my first year, and I would like to join hands with her for years and years and years. Journey begins here. Thank you.
Well, from US, but came from Sobaji, and I think part of the Sobaji was nice. Well, I have no word to say, but I think there was a very good things. They was doing it for entrepreneur and like for women, for all businesses. So I think I appreciate what she's doing it, and thanks Sobaji and all of them. Thank you. Thank you.